In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a site title on Squarespace. This is a quick update you can make inside your Squarespace settings, and the exact menu path depends on which version of Squarespace your site is using. The site title is usually the name of your brand, business, or personal website, so it is important to enter it correctly and save the change when you are done. If your website is using Squarespace 7.1, begin by looking at the left sidebar inside your site editor. Click Website, then go to Website Tools, and then select Logo and Browser Icon. This section is where Squarespace lets you manage title-related branding details for your site. Once you are there, find the field for your site title and type in the name you want displayed. Make sure you enter the exact name of your brand, business, or website so it stays consistent with the rest of your online presence. If your site is using Squarespace 7.0, the process is slightly different. In the left sidebar, click Design and then choose Logo and Title. This will open the area where you can edit the title for your website. In the Site Title field, type the name of your brand, business, or personal website. Take a moment to check spelling, spacing, and capitalization before moving on, since even small details can affect how polished your site looks. After you have entered your site title, the final step is the same. Click Save in the top left corner of the editing panel. This is what pushes your new site title live. If you leave the page without saving, your update may not be applied, so be sure to complete this part before exiting the settings. As a quick recap, Squarespace 7.1 users should go to Website, then Website Tools, then Logo and Browser Icon. Squarespace 7.0 users should go to Design, then Logo and Title. From there, enter your site title and click Save. That is all you need to do to add a site title on Squarespace. That covers everything you need to know.